By the end of this video, you will know how to approve a bill for payment in Xero. Start from the top menu in Xero and click Purchases. This opens the area where purchase transactions and supplier bills are managed. From there, select Bills to Pay. You will arrive at the Bill screen, where Xero groups bills by their current status so you can see what still needs attention before payment. Next, open either the Draft tab or the Awaiting Approval tab, depending on where the bill currently sits. If the bill has not been finalized yet, it may still be in draft. If it has already been prepared and is waiting for sign-off, it will appear under Awaiting Approval. Choose the tab that matches the bill you need to work on. Once you are in the correct tab, find the bill you want to approve and open it. You may be looking through a list of supplier bills, so take a moment to make sure you select the correct one before continuing. Opening the bill brings you into the full bill view, where you can check the details before changing its status. Now review the information on the bill carefully. Look at the supplier first and confirm that it matches the business the bill came from. Then check the bill date and the due date so the timing is correct. Review the reference as well if one is included to confirm it lines up with the document or internal record you expect. Continue down through the line items on the bill. Check that the descriptions and amounts match what should be recorded. Then look at the account codes assigned to each line. These codes determine where the expense is recorded in your accounts, so this is one of the details worth checking closely. After that, review the tax rates applied to each line and make sure they are appropriate for the transaction. Finally, confirm the total at the bottom of the bill so the final amount is correct before approval. When everything on the bill looks right, click Approve. This updates the bill's status in Xero. Instead of remaining in draft or awaiting approval, the bill moves forward in the workflow. After approval, the bill is moved to awaiting payment. That means it has been approved and is now ready to be paid when you are ready to process payment through your usual payment workflow. If you return to the bill screen, you will see it listed under that status rather than in the earlier tabs. This process is useful when you need to confirm a supplier bill before it becomes part of the payment queue. The main thing is to review the key fields carefully, then approve only once those details are correct. That keeps the bill record accurate before payment is made. The bill is now approved in Xero and moved to awaiting payment.